Hello guys, welcome to our store Gul and Gehna. I'm Shruti, this is Anjali. We have a beautiful collection of saris, cocktail saris.
Okay, thank you,
Yeah.
Shruti. So we have our saris ranging from 2000 and upwards. We have cocktail saris as well as saris for a little aged people. I will start with our premium range. So this is our hot selling piece. It's a 3D applique sari, and like how normal people have saris with work just through the pallu, but we've given work all through the sari along with the blouse, and this is all 3D, so it will stand out. And though it has so much work, it's an absolute weightless sari. There is no weight as you wear it on your body. These saris are 5,000-7,000 and plus, because this is not organza again, this is glass tissue. Organza will not give you a proper shape, but glass tissue will figure shape your body and give you a nice shape. This is again all through the sari applique with light purplish undertone. This is one more. This is one more. It's again glass tissue with cut work. So there is multiple variation in this. For example, this is in the same color, but here we have a white undertone, and all of the thread that we've used is a resham thread. It's not the normal thread, so it gives you a premium look. This is another variety in that, which has come with a scallop. This will be through the sari, and then the blouse will also have the scallop, but a little simpler so that the sari stands out. This is one more piece which is through the sari. It's a very beautiful piece, not very cheap shiny material, but this will give you a luxury look. If people do not prefer transparent fabrics like tissue silk, we also have this variety which is in crepe silk. It is all through the sari.
We also have rakhi and bracelets.
And then this embroidery will also come through the sari. This is also in above 5,000 range. One more great option that we have with us is this sari, which is all over chikankari, and this has come with a cross stitch embroidery. Another option, shifting back to my glass tissue collection, is this sari, which is having a resham buta in cross stitch all through the sari along with the blouse, and this is the trending pitai work that is going on now. If I come to a little below my 7,000 collection, these are zari kota material. This is the kantar work sari. There is one more option in this, which is in pearl work. This is another piece from our premium range. It's an all-over sari which has come with a shibori print. It has chikankari embroidery through the sari, and we've given a beautiful hand-painted blouse to go with it, along with a zari border, so it's kind of like an all-in-one sari. This is another piece from our premium range. For people who do not prefer to go for transparent fabrics, this is one piece that'll give you an equally designer look. It has embroidery all through the sari with a buta through the sari. A very premium sari, again, will give you a very elegant look. So that was the designer collection that we have, which were above 5. We also have a few pieces that are below that range in pure fabrics. For example, this is a pure mull cotton sari, and it has panel print all over the sari. Very beautiful piece for office wear, or if you're just going to the temple for the coming season. It's a great piece. So Gul and Gehna, we're based out of Sainikpuri. Our studio is in Sainikpuri, and you're welcome to call us and visit us anytime. This is one more piece from our below 6,000 collection. It is a pure Kora silk which has come with French knots and sequence work all through the sari along with a printed blouse. One more very nice piece that I wanted to show you guys is this. This is a sari that is all over 3D applique, a variety in applique in non-transparent material again. This 3D jal is all over the sari. It is again a pure Kora silk material. So that's a glimpse of what we have. We're very happy to have you come visit us so that you can go through our collection. Happy shopping.